Are you thinking about purchasing Small Group Manager for your church? Before you make any decisions, there are a few key things you should know to ensure it's the right choice for your needs. Unlike other church management software out there, Small Group Manager offers some unique features, but it's important to understand how it compares and if it fits your church's requirements. Let's dive in. First off, one of the most notable features of Small Group Manager is its focus on managing small groups. If you're looking to organize groups and keep track of meetings, attendance, and communications, this software excels in that area. However, it's important to note that it's limited compared to some all-in-one solutions like Planning Center or Breeze, which provide more comprehensive features for churches of all sizes. Next, Small Group Manager is known for its simplicity. If you're looking for something that's easy to set up and doesn't require a lot of training, this might be a good fit. The interface is clean and the learning curve is minimal. But if your church is looking for deeper customization or more robust tools, you might find other platforms, like Church Community Builder, to be a better choice. The third thing to keep in mind is the cost. Small Group Manager offers affordable pricing, which can be a big draw for smaller churches on a budget. However, when comparing it to competitors like Elvanto, which offers more advanced features at a similar price, it might feel like you're missing out on extra capabilities, especially if you're thinking about scaling your operations in the future. Moving on, the fourth thing to consider is communication. Small Group Manager has basic communication features like email and group messaging. But when it comes to integrating communication into your church's broader ecosystem, solutions like Realm or Church Suite may provide more advanced options, such as integrated SMS and app notifications. The fifth thing to note is the integration capabilities. While Small Group Manager integrates with a few third-party tools, it's not as extensive as some other church management software options. For example, Church Teams offers a wider variety of integrations for payment systems and event registration, which might be necessary for more complex church operations. Next, you'll want to consider support. Small Group Manager offers good customer service, but if you're looking for 24/7 live support, some competitors, like Tithe.li, provide more comprehensive options. Support quality can be a big deal when you encounter issues in the middle of a busy church week. Another key factor is volunteer management. Small Group Manager handles this reasonably well, but it's not as feature-rich in this area as others like Breeze, which includes more detailed tracking and management tools for volunteers, including availability scheduling and team management. The eighth thing to consider is mobile access. Small Group Manager offers mobile support, but it's limited compared to other platforms like Planning Center, which offers fully functional mobile apps for both church leaders and members. If your church is looking for a highly mobile-friendly experience, other platforms might serve you better. The ninth thing is the reporting capabilities. Small Group Manager provides basic reports, but if you're looking for more advanced analytics and customizable reporting, platforms like Church Community Builder may provide a more in-depth look at your church's data. Next, let's talk about event management. Small Group Manager does allow you to schedule events for groups, but it's not as comprehensive as the event management systems in other church management platforms like Elvanto, which offers robust event scheduling and registration features. The 11th thing you should know is how it handles growth. Small Group Manager works well for smaller churches, or those with just a few small groups. However, as your church grows and your group management needs become more complex, you might find yourself wanting the additional features and scalability offered by alternatives like Planning Center or Breeze. Finally, Small Group Manager is a good option for small churches with straightforward needs, but if you want a more feature-packed solution that can grow with your church, we recommend checking out our suggested alternative. It offers a more comprehensive experience and is available for a free trial, so you can explore all its features risk-free. In summary, Small Group Manager can work well for smaller churches with a focus on group management. But if you're looking for more features, integrations, and scalability, consider our recommended solution.